You might have heard the term artificial intelligence thrown around a lot lately, maybe to describe chatbot ChatGPT or art generators like DALL-E. But what does it mean? To put it simply, AI uses computers and machines to mimic how humans solve problems and make decisions. This includes the ability to synthesize information, form complex sentences, recognize speech, and make decisions. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that programs computers to recognize data and patterns for themselves. Some examples of how AI use is creeping up in our everyday lives include chatbots that we can talk to when we visit a website, every time we use Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, which use machine learning to recognize our voice and what we're saying, and also facial recognition on Google or Facebook photos that automatically tags us, our family, and our friends. Now, there is the looming question of whether it can replace humans, and it's hard to answer that for too far into the future.
This is Megan.
Hi, Megan. I'm Katie. It's nice to meet you, Katie. Do you want to hang out?
But right now, there are a lot of limitations. It needs maintenance and monitoring, and the cost of developing it is very high.